Driving across southern Sweden can really excite you by its spectacular landscapes. Southern Sweden, to me, is the most beautiful, especially in summer. But we got a bit unlucky with the weather today on our way to Österlen, the southeast of Sweden. Regardless, we still can't get enough of this beautiful countryside. How gorgeous! We're just enjoying until these birds stopped our road trip. I don't understand.
What kind of bird?
They don't fly.
Can you film?
Yeah.
Zoom in.
Yeah, I zoom in. Like both of them, like just running so fast. They can fly or what?
Are you tired now?
What is this? Oh my god! Like look at the color, the tail. Now they stopped. When we stop, they stop. Let's see. They ran away. What is this? What's happening? Oh, they can fly. They're just tricking us.
Okay, fly them.
Fly then.
Fly.
Oh my, look. That's interesting.
What kind of bird? Either it's the same one or they're very close to each other.
Because I kind of remember this kind of route. Because we need to take a long ride to get there.
Yeah, no, but I kind of know where it was, and it is very close.
For 3 kilometers.
Hello. This is cool. Finally, we arrived at Osterlen, and this is all the purpose we have come here for. And look at this cute little place we got all to ourselves. It's a barbecue place. This is a little bit tricky. I hope I can handle it here where we're gonna sleep. Yeah, this. Check this out. Can charge up here as well. This is it. And the stairs. And this is the kitchenette. Coffee and everything. You know what is the best thing about this place? It seems like they only have this accommodation only for us. We are the only guests visiting today to this property. And there is a restaurant, and she said, that's the best part. She said, if you want some cappuccino or anything, just go get it and it's free of charge. That's perfect. And what is this? Oh, it's just the cover of this. Why am I speaking low voice? It's only us, but it's so quiet. We have, oh my god, this little flower. Smells so good. It's like a cozy blanket fashion. This place is 3,000 years old, and these rocks you can see people trying to make some paintings, the pictures. So here you can see a boat, like people riding a boat, and a lot of access. I'm gonna be walking through this. Wish me luck. Nothing to worry about. These are not slippery. Just be careful. Where did Matthias go? Oh, one of the cows is just standing up and looking at me. Hey! Hi, cows. You guys are looking cool over there. Probably get myself some picture here. Hi guys. I just wanted to say goodbye before I go. I hope you guys are cool, having a great time, hanging out. Why are you alone here? Just make sure you subscribe my channel. That's all I wanted to say. And if you can say some words to my viewers, please say so. Say something, like anything. You're saying something, he's saying something. So what do you have to say? Yes, of course. That's about the cows, and I'm saying goodbye to you guys. I'm going back. Bye. You're tired of me. Yes, I'm leaving. They don't care.